If your key fob is useless, and your 2014 to 2020 Impala won't listen, this tiny black box might be the most important part you buy this year. We're looking at the KarParts360 remote control door lock receiver, a specific fit replacement designed to bring back that essential push-button convenience we all take for granted. When dealing with electronics like this, fitment is everything. This unit is engineered specifically for the Impala, and the manufacturer is very clear. You absolutely must confirm that the OEM number 13,586,853 matches your old unit exactly. It's built from durable nylon, which is exactly what you want for an internal component that needs to withstand temperature fluctuations and vibration. It feels solid, weighing in at a negligible 0.07 pounds, and its dimensions are nice and compact at 4.4 by 1.7 inches. Let's talk connections. This receiver uses a 4-piece male pin terminal setup. The thickness is specified at 0.74 inches, which is crucial for ensuring it slots right into the factory location without any fuss. KarParts360 claims this component meets or exceeds OEM specifications, and based on the material quality, that seems plausible. It's designed and engineered to standards, aiming for long-lasting performance. Now here is the critical detail, and you need to pay attention. This is not a simple plug-and-play swap. The product description explicitly states that this part requires programming and/or special setup procedures. If you're doing this yourself, be prepared to follow service information procedures and potentially need specialized tools to ensure it communicates properly with your vehicle's computer. If you skip this step, you've just installed a very nice piece of black nylon that does nothing. But if you handle the programming correctly, what you get is the reliable restoration of your remote locking system. It's a necessary fix for a common failure point. Overall, the KarParts360 receiver appears to be a high-quality, durable aftermarket solution for the Impala, provided you respect the required programming steps. It's a powerful fix for a frustrating problem.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.